Good day everyone! Napakaganda po ng topic na pag-uusapan natin. Tungkol ito sa tanong ng karamihan. Nagtitipid naman ako. Bakit kulang? Hi! I'm Engineer Arjunel Maisog, the President of Lean & Green Trading Corporation. Bakit nga ba kulang? Unang pag-usapan natin ay yung ginagawa ng karamihan, ang employment. Ang income ay galing sa sahod, less expenses is equal to savings. Alam mo ba, in 2019, ang sahod sa Metro Manila ay 12,888 per month, which is 537 daily. And 2023, tumaas ito sa 14,640 per month, which is 610 daily. It means tumaas ng 11.97% ang kita sa loob ng 5 taon. Gayunpaman, ayon sa Philippine Statistics Authority, ang average sa pagtaas ng presyo ng bilihin o inflation mula 2019 hanggang 2023 ay umabot ng 246%. Dahil dito, mas mabilis ang pagtaas ng presyo ng bilihin kaysa pagtaas ng sahod. Kaya kahit tumaas ang kita, marami pa rin ang nahihirapan. Ang solusyon ng karamihan ay mangutang dahil hindi kasya ang income sa expenses. Pero pansamantala lang po yan. The more na mangungutang ka, the more na mahihirapan ka. Lalo na kung ang utang ay ibabayad din sa utang. Ano po ba ang dapat gawin? Ang solusyon po dyan ay magdagdag ng pagkakakitaan. Sa pagdagdag ng pagkakakitaan, hindi po pwedeng mag-empleyado ka ulit. Bakit? Meron lamang tayong 24 hours a day. Ang dagdag na pagkakakitaan na pag-uusapan natin ay ang pagnenegosyo. Ngayon, anong klaseng negosyo ba ang pwede sa'yo? Ito ang mga pwede mong pagpilian. Una, traditional business. Yun nga lang, kailangan ng mataas ng puhunan para magkaroon ka din ng malaking profit. Kailangan po ng mga 300 to 1 million para makapagsimula ka. The challenge here is so-called high risk. Why? Dahil merong overhead expenses, rentals, electricity, water billing. At the same time, we have people who are being paid every bit we don't earn. Pangalawa is the franchise business. Mas malaking puhunan, nasa 5 million to 50 million or higit pa. If you have that capital, maganda dahil may kasama na itong system. Pero paano kung wala ka? Ano na lang ang business na gagawin mo? Good news! Itong pangatlo, multi-level marketing o network marketing. Dahil mababa lamang ang puhunan mula 10,000 to 100,000 at pinopromote ito ng kilalang mga ekonomista tulad nila Robert Kiyosaki, Donald Trump, Bill Gates at marami pang iba. Legit po talaga ang business na ito. Now, let's talk about what is network marketing business. Network marketing business is a system of moving products from manufacturing to consumer through an organization of users, retailers, and network builders. Ano ba ang advantage kapag pinili mo ang multi-level marketing business? Low startup capital, low risk dahil maliit lamang ang kapital, no fixed operational expenses, walang rentals, electricity, water bill, and walang babayarang empleyado. No boss, no alarm clock, leverage program. Ito ang maganda dahil you can multiply your time and effort through others. You train them, if they're working, if they're selling, if they're inviting people to join your business, you're also making money. That's leverage program. Residual and passive income. If you build your network, you'll have this. Darating ang panahon na kahit less na ang effort mo, kikita ka pa rin dahil sa na-build mo na ang network over time. Economy proof for 50 plus years. Think about it. This is not new. 50 plus years. Marami na ang kumita at patuloy na kumikita hindi lamang sa Pilipinas, kundi kahit sa ibang bahagi ng mundo. Unlimited income as long as you're hardworking. No discrimination. Kahit anong lahi, Filipino, Bisaya, Ilocano, Tagalog, pwede mo itong gawin. No educational requirements. That means kahit grade 1, high school, doctor, engineer, whatever you are, pwede ka dito sa business. Free trainings. This is the best for all. Dahil hindi mo kailangang mag-alala kung wala ka pang alam sa business, dahil tuturuan ka kung paano gagawin. Time and financial freedom. When the time comes, if you're busy, if you're on vacation, you're still making money. Now, ang tanong ng iba, Sir, maganda naman pala ang networking business. Bakit marami pa din ang na-scam o nagsasabing scam ito? Ang sagot diyan, lack of knowledge o kulang sa tamang kaalaman. At alam nyo ba na according to our statistics, 90 to 99% of new companies are closing. Kaya we encourage you to look carefully at pag-aralang mabuti kung saang kumpanya ka dapat papasok. Bakit? Dahil may 1 to 3 years adjustment period ang bawat kumpanya. Kung mapapansin mo, out of 10 companies na itinatayo, minsan isa lang yung nagpapatuloy. Bakit? Dahil hindi talaga maiiwasan ang 1 to 3 years adjustment period ng bawat company. At kung hindi kumita ang kumpanya, magsasara ito. Napakataas ng risk kapag pumasok ka sa company during adjustment period. Kapag 4 to 5 years na ang company, ito na yung stability period. Established na yan. 5 years mahigit. Napakaswerte mo kapag nakapasok ka sa kumpanya na ganito. Bakit? Dahil hindi masayang yung effort, time, energy, and money at perang ipinagninegosyo mo. Ngayon, kung nakapag-decide ka na mag-network, kailangang siruin mo munang mabuti kung ano pa yung elements of network marketing so that you can say that the company is stable para makaiwas scams. Number 1, you will first look at the legalities like SEC, local permits, mayor's permit, BIR. At kapag ang company ay nagbebenta ng pampahid or anything na iniinom, kailangan yan ng Food and Drugs License to Operate. What else? You will also look at the management side. Tingnan mo kung ang mga may-ari ay may experience ba sa network marketing. Why? Because our business is multi-level marketing, we need to know who is running it. Secondly, hindi lang dapat may kaalaman sa network, kundi may knowledge din sa corporate business. Why? How can he run his operation if he doesn't have the experience? Dapat may magandang produkto. Sa pagkilatis ng produkto, kailangan ng high demand. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang po yung nagtitrend lang. Ano pa yung mga products dito na high demand? Products for health. Lagi yung kailangan ng tao. The demand will be higher and higher according to the data. What else? ACEs. Affordable, consumable, effective, and safe. Kaya no hard selling, hindi ka mahihirapan. Ano ba ang ACEs? Dapat affordable ang products mo. According to the buying capacity of the Filipino, 500 to 1,000 madali itong bilhin. Next, consumable ang products para mabilis ang repeat purchase. What else? Your products should be effective. Because if it's not effective, don't expect a lot of repeat purchase. Above all, is your product safe? Now the question is, how do you know if your products are safe? Dapat FDA approved, dapat may CPR o Certificate of Product Registrations. So each product, meron siyang kaukulang Certificate of Products Registration. Press, pwede po ba kaming magbenta ng products kung on process pa ang legalities? Guys, basahin niyo po under the Republic Act 3720, amended 9711, Section 11, Paragraph A, bawal mag-manufacture, import, export, or magbenta ng products na walang lisensya. Alam niyo po ba ang kaukulang parusa? Pwede po kayong makulong ng 1 taon hanggang 10 taon at may penalty na 50,000 to kalahating milyon. Hindi mo pwedeng lusutan ang batas na yan kasi sabi nga, ignorance of the law excuses no one. Criminal case, administrative case po yung tatama sa'yo. Last po, yung compensation plan, it should be profitable. Why does it need to be profitable? So that your distributors can earn properly. Hindi sila magsisialisan. Fast track income. What is that? It means that when they join, they already have a business. Like direct selling. Dapat affordable lang ang products mo. Dapat consumable. Kaya ang isa sa magandang produkto talaga ay para sa health. Next, dapat may coffee. Kapag may coffee ang isang company ng multi-level marketing, malaki na kaagad ang target market. The second highest trading commodity is coffee. It is second to crude oil. Next is residual passive income. Once na-build ang network, it should have residual and passive income. Then dapat, pang long term, ang compensation plan. Walang overpay. Ngayon mga kaibigan, suriin ding mabuti kapag ang kumplan po ay nangangako ng income na wala ka nang gagawin, hanapan mo lang ng secondary license. Hindi naman yan bawal. Dahil investment na yan, hanapan mo lang ng secondary license. Kapag wala, wag mo nang pasukin. Dahil scam talaga yan. Kapag merong maayos na products, maayos na compensation plan, pero sablay ang mga may-ari, hindi po magtatagal yan. Yung may maayos na compensation plan, maayos na management, pero walang maayos na products, hindi din po magtatagal yan. That's why it says here, stability is equal to balance. Dapat walang nawala po dyan. So, naintindihan na po natin paano suriing mabuti bago pumasok sa multi-level marketing. Now, ang next na pag-uusapan natin ay sino ba talaga si Lean & Green? Lean & Green is a 7-year-old company, stable with effective products, right system, and right management. Ang Lean & Green ay may tamang formula na kahit nung pandemic ay mas lalo pa itong lumalakas. At ang kagandahan po, hindi lamang lumalakas ang Lean & Green sa Pilipinas, kundi pati sa ibang bansa. Our office is located at Central Business District of the Philippines at Robinson Galleria Corporate Center, or TIGAS, Quezon City. We are in the heart of Metro Manila. Next is fully stocks and extensive warehouse. Ibig sabihin, puno po ng products ang ating mga warehouse dahil malaking kumpanya tayo at patuloy na lumalaki. Kaya hindi tayo pwedeng kulangin ng products para masuplayan ang lahat ng ating mga consumers at mga distributors. Meron din tayong mga branches in Cebu City, Davao City, and we have also a lot of BCO nationwide. And one more thing, we have a mobile store in the Philippines up to the international market. Complete legalities, is easy, local permits, BIR, FDA, LTO, CPR, and Halal certified. Total of more than 50 years of solid foundation of the Board of Directors. From our chairman, Mr. Christopher Puntanar, the good thing about him is that he has been successful in multi-level marketing for more than 20 years. Ako po, ang inyong lingkod, the President of Lean & Green, have been in management for 11 years when it comes to running a business, maliban pa sa aking network experience. Our Vice President is also saying he has also been in management for 11 years when it comes to network marketing. So that's the beauty of building a 50+ years solid foundation. Kaya hindi nahihirapan ang Lean & Green na maging solid dahil sa management. Hindi lang yan. We have more than 50 years solid foundation of marketing support. Our Business Development for Marketing, Mr. Mars Mandal, our Marketing Director, Mr. Anthony Gatchalian, and Dr. Rodel Olega, our doctor. If you include their experience, it's more than 50 years in the industry. Total of more than 30 years solid foundation of operations head, finance head, and warehouse head. Napakahalaga po nito sa pagtayo ng kumpanya. Kaya naging solid si Lean & Green dahil alam ng operations ang kanilang ginagawa. Multi-awarded company and products since 2017. Company-owned IT support team. We also have high demand, affordable, consumable, effective, and safe products with FDA, CPR, and Halal approved. Did you know that Lean & Green has a very strong products? What are that products? Our flagship product is coffee. The market is targeted because it helps with obesity. Did you know that the obesity is the #1 market when it comes to health? Pangalawa lang po ang sakit sa puso. Kaya tama lang po ang ginawa ng Lean & Green. Dahil ang products natin is affordable, consumable, effective, and safe, kaya naman tumatagal tayo at namamayagpag sa market. What else? It has the so-called hybrid compensation plan. Biset and triset, unang lumabas sa Lean & Green at pinagkakaguluhan dahil marami na taong pinakita. Fast track, residual passive income, and long-term compensation plan. No overpay. What else? Ang mga account natin sa Lean & Green ay pwede nating ipapamana sa mga mahal natin sa buhay. We don't know how long we'll be in this world, but all your hard work, your time, effort, energy, and money that you spend to build your network, you can give it to your loved ones in life. What else? Hundreds of distributors were able to enjoy both local and international travel incentives. At ano pa? We created numbers of distributors who earn millions. So marami na tayong naging milyonaryo na napuproduce at tuloy-tuloy pa. At maraming nabago ang buhay. Ano pa? We created the first nationwide free shipping and MLM or network marketing business in the Philippines. All our packages, wherever you're in the Philippines, will be delivered for free. Excellent distributors, friendly customer service, we support you. Then, the last point is that we are complete with the proven hybrid system tools and marketing videos. You didn't have a problem presenting the products? We have videos of our doctor. You didn't have a problem presenting a complan? Dahil may mga ready-made na mga videos presentation para mas madali ang paggawa ninyo ng business. Magtulungan lang tayo at Lean & Green with your dreams and our excellent system. we can surely achieve success. If you are an OFW, a stay-at-home parent, student, or employee looking for additional income and wanting to achieve your dreams, I highly suggest you pay close attention to our Lean and Green products and business plan presentation. Thank you so much for watching. This is your President, Engineer Arjun Maisog. To God be all the glory.